Hello everyone, welcome to the KonnectzIT platform. I hope you're all doing amazing. So the Connect that we are going to work on today will involve two applications which is called ScheduleOnce and Trello. ScheduleOnce is a appointment tool which helps the companies and individuals to manage their appointments, and Trello is a management tool which helps individuals to maintain their projects into boards. So the first thing that we are going to do here is get started with the authorization of the applications first. So I have just chosen the trigger, which is ScheduleOnce, to authorize it. First of all, I have to add an account over here. Now it's just going to ask me an API key. For that, I have to go to the ScheduleOnce, then to the settings. And as you can see here, we have an option for API and webhook. So this is the API key which I have to copy and place it right here. We just have to click on yes and continue, and the authorization of ScheduleOnce will be done. Yes, as you can see, it has been successfully done. Now we are going to get the authorization of Trello. Here also, I'm just going to add an account. This application basically needs OAuth based configuration. For that, it's just going to ask me a few permissions. Once I give the permissions for this application, the authorization will be finished. So yes, the authorization of Trello has also been done successfully. Now I just have to click on Create Connect, which will take me to the visual flow builder of KonnectzIT here. So what exactly we are going to do in this particular connect here is when anybody is taking an appointment here using the ScheduleOnce, the same should be replicated as a card here in Trello for its easy management. So we will just get started with the trigger, which is ScheduleOnce in our case. So I'm just going to drag and drop this one here. I'm just going to choose the account. And the trigger here, it's going to be scheduling a booking here. Now I just have to click on test and review, and it has already taken the default data which is present in the application. Next thing, before placing the Trello, we are going to use an add-on application of KonnectzIT, which is called Text Formatter, which is basically present to merge all the data so that we can send every information to the as a card in Trello. So here now we are just going to map the fields that we want in the text formatter to merge. So the first thing that I'm going to take up is the owner's name and the email ID of the person who's taking an appointment. So I will just type here, hi@owner. You can type your own message as you want. So I will put in the person with email ID @email has taken an appointment. So I'm just going to validate the text formatter here. So the text formatter has been successfully validated. Now I'm going to place the action, which is Trello in our case here. So I will just place the action. Now we are just going to choose an appropriate account here. And the trigger, which is create card, I'm also going to choose since I have various boards over here, as you can see, I'm going to choose the appropriate board here. So I will possibly choose the last title. And I have the thing here as new lead, so I'm going to choose the same. Now I'm going to give the description and this as the name of the card. So now I'm going to just test and review, and as you can see, the data has been successfully sent. Now it is a perfect time for us to publish the connect. So I have successfully published the Connect now. Now we just have to wait for this particular information that we had sent from ScheduleOnce to be created as a card in Trello. So now we will just go back to Trello to check. Yes, as you can see, it has successfully come over here as, hey, the owner's name with the person's email ID has taken appointment over here. Now we are going to check the particular Connect, how exactly our Connect is working. So for that, we will just go to ScheduleOnce and take the particular appointment. So this is the link that I have to copy here, and I will possibly paste it here. So now we are going to take a new appointment for it to capture the response over there. So I'll possibly take it as this one. I'm going to give my name, the email ID, it's India, and the phone number. And notice option you can give. So I have taken appointment over here. So the same is going to be added here. As you can see, it has added here as the owner's name and the person who has taken an email appointment over here with the email ID. So that's how exactly we can take appointments and send the same as a card in Trello. So that's how easy it is. Thank you, everyone.